Alright, so here is a quick tutorial. If you have one of these demo units, you can usually kind of tell there's like a sticker mark here. I already taken the bottom off. You can look up videos how to do that. It's pretty simple. Take the screws out, pop the bottom off. But I don't know. It took me a lot of research to find this out. But you'll know if you have a demo unit. You have that little wire. It's hard to see. Right below that wire, there's three tiny little, or there's a spot missing right there. That tiny little fuse or resistor, or whatever it is, capacitor is supposed to be. So the problem with these demo units is they'll only work when they're plugged into a charger. This is a 2DS, excellent condition. All you need to do for that resistor or fuse, whatever you want to call it, is missing, is you need to bridge it. I've actually never done this. I found out this online, and it took me forever to find it. Find the information on it anyway, on what to do. And I figured I would try it out. You don't really need much, it's very, very tiny. So just below that wire, I'm going to try to keep it on camera, but I also need to be able to see it. So I apologize if it goes off camera really quickly. Where that fuse is, I'm going to try to bridge the connection. Yeah, I'll do it this way, it'd be better. So let me try to hold my hand there. Let's see. Same time. Well, that's the spot there. I gotta get some solder. I'm not gonna be able to do it on camera. I'm gonna pause it, but that's where you need to do it. I'm gonna show you once I got it done. Alright, so sorry about that. So it's not pretty, but essentially what I did is tinned, I gotta actually get it off, tinned my soldering iron. Got a nice little glob of solder on there. I'll show you the end result. Let me just turn off the and I'll try to test it out here. So got a nice little glob on there. See if I can get it on camera. And just boom, bridge that connection with a nice little, not pretty, but a nice, come on, focus, glob of solder. It is a very small point on the board. It is hard to even see. Boom, boom, boom. Right there, that little pyramid of solder glob right there. And let's test it now to see. Basically, before, it would not play or turn on without being plugged into the charger. Now let's see if it works. Before it wouldn't. I'm doing this very crudely. Let's see what we got. Hopefully. Hold on one second. Apologies, I forgot there is one other step. Dun dun dun! I almost forgot. So yes, you still gotta solder that. This battery also might be bad. This blue wire, you have to cut it. What I'm gonna do though is just desolder it. Well, the instructions say to cut it. I'm just gonna desolder it. Seems easier. Let's see if I could do this on camera. Be easier if I had something. I'm basically using this as tweezers to just give it a gentle lift as I am unsoldering. There we go. That easy. So it's not connected anymore. Now, it should work with just a battery. I just got that one end lifted off there. Fingers crossed this is the fix that supposedly is going to work. Obviously, it'd be probably better if I had the tray in here for the battery. Kind of trying to have to hold it. Let's see what happens. There it is. No longer a demo unit. We got the lights. We got a working 2DS XL. So yeah, basically this is a demo unit. And yeah, now it's not. Demo units were basically, you know, the ones that were in kiosks around the country, and they were always plugged in. So you could find these usually pretty inexpensive on eBay, because a lot of people don't know that trick about them. So yeah, recap. Get this wire out of there, bridge those 2 points, which is a big glob of solder, and you got yourself a fully working 2DS for inexpensive. Because again, a lot of people don't know that's how you get them not to be a demo unit. Alrighty, thank you.